Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain you one more beautiful program which was related to strings. So this is my string which I have provided here, and this is my string. Hi, welcome to YouTube channel Java Programs Explain. And this is the output which I need. I need only the first first and second index of my word should be in uppercase. So this is my output. So if you're trying, so in this program I am just giving first index and second index, or else any other index to be uppercase. So I will be showing the generic program if any of the interviewer or your professor asks you during the viva or else during the interview sessions. So first I will be explaining this program. First I will use this string as, okay, first I'm updating string of array equals to s dot split. As you all guys already know the split method, I'm just splitting whole string using space. So this is my whole string and this will be splitted with help of space. So now hi will be a separate word, welcome will be a separate word, and all those words will be saved in this string of array. Next, for int I equals to 0, I am using for loop. I less than array dot length I plus plus. This is my for loop. Just for starting with word hi. 0 is with hi, and next one means welcome till array dot length. Array dot length means whole length till explained. So it will increment. So that's the reason I have used for loop. Next, I'm providing two variables, string word equals to, I will be saving in this array of I. Next, I'm using one more string, that is string of result equals to space. I didn't provide any of the input here. Next, I will go with one more for loop for int j equals to 0, j less than word dot length. Okay, word dot length j plus plus, it should increment for loop. So here array dot length means whole array length. Now I have splitted as this into spaces. It will be splitted into each word. So this j loop is for each word length. Okay. So here I will count with character. Char ch equals to my word dot caret of j. So again in the each word I am just checking each letter. So in this condition I want if condition. If j equals to 1, or 1 means the first letter will start with the index 0, second letter will start with 1. So that's the reason I kept j equals to 1, or j equals to 2. Okay, 2 means third letter in the word. So if it was j equals to 1 or j equals to 2, I want result. Already I have declared result plus we are having character. This is a character dot to uppercase. Where is my uppercase? Yeah, here it was uppercase. What I should update it to uppercase? This one, ch. Okay, I'm just keeping semicolon to end the statement. Next, if condition was done, what if it was other index? Else, okay, let me minimize this. So in else condition, I will just print result equals to result plus character, again same one, character dot 2. If it was not index 1 or 2, in that case I want everything in to be lowercase. So lowercase. Okay. Next, after this else condition, I want whole my result. I want all my result. So this is my else condition, this is my if condition, and after J loop, till here it was J loop. So once my J loop was done, after this brace, closed brace, I want to print my whole sentence. So I'm just printing my sentence by using SOP statement, system.out.print result plus some space. Okay, because I need space after each word. I won't keep ln because it will print uh, one after other. So that's why I kept system.out.print. Okay, let me run this. See, hi, welcome to YouTube channel. All the letters where the index was 1 or 2, only those letters got updated to uppercase, other letters are in lowercase. So for example, if I want third or fourth, okay, so in this case again I have updated here to in this way. So in this case capitals got letters where the index was 3 and 4, so only in that case those got updated to uppercase. In the high word there was no third or fourth index because there are only two letters, so that's why high word was in lowercase. So this is with the program, guys. Let me know if you find any interesting programs. Comment in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.